Hi guys! Today I'm gonna introduce you to a new cream. And here, this one's not open yet, and this one's open.
Yes. So Joylee sent us this Rejuvenate Repair Cream. Apparently it's good for eczema skin. This is not only good for eczema skin, it is also good for diaper rashes, mosquito bites, skin itchiness, rashes, and dry skins. So for kids like Hannah and Harper, so they love going outdoor, and this cream is so useful because you just apply them like lotion. You know, it's like a body cream, and then it also works like a mosquito repellent. And when they get mosquito bites, you can also apply extra on the mosquito bites. The best part of this cream, it's steroid free, fragrance free, and it's alcohol free. So it's very, very suitable for kids. So let's try the cream now.
It smells nice and it's very smooth.
It's very smooth, yeah, because it's very, very light and it absorbs really well and quick. So if any one of you who are interested in this new Rejuvenate Repair Cream, you can go to Joylee, www.joylee.com to purchase, and don't forget to use our code to get extra discount.
We are Joylee Kids! Bye!
Bye, see you!
See you next week!
See you next time!
Good night!